Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can switch your Amazon app to US. So firstly, open up your Amazon application, then click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, then just simply scroll down, then click on settings, and over there you can see the setting called country and language. So just simply click on that. Now as you can see, my current country is India, so just simply scroll down and find US, which is right over here. So just simply choose United States English. Now after doing that, you will be redirected to the website version of the Amazon page. So just simply press continue, then choose a browser, and then you will be redirected to the Amazon page in your Chrome browser. So just simply wait for it to load the website. Now when the website is loaded, if you click on your profile at the top right corner, then scroll down, you will see it is currently in United States. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.